Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, I want to share with you a really unexpected surprise that we received in the mail the other day. Let me tell y'all, when I saw the box, I immediately went into like defensive mode. I was like, I didn't order any plants because I saw star roses and plants on there. And I was like, I didn't order anything. But when I opened the box, I was just like so shocked. And I want to share this with you all today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We have been getting lots and lots and lots of rain. And as a matter of fact, I probably got about a couple of hours until it is going to start raining again. If you can see kind of in the back, it's very cloudy, getting windy. We've been having lots of wind, lots of rain. I'm not complaining because that is what really makes my plants like really jump off and just get growing. But look, y'all, what I received in the mail. Okay, so I have done several videos, and I'll make sure that I link them on the Bushel and Berry lines. Now, I am going to flash some pictures up here because currently we grow the blackberries and we also grow the blueberries. Now, they have raspberries too. I haven't grown them, but what I like about them is if you don't have a lot of space, you can still grow fruit in containers, and that is basically what we are doing. We're growing all of our blueberries and blackberries in containers. We've had the blackberries for the longest, and I am pleased each and every year that they grow. It just seems to like produce more and more and more. The only thing is you have to watch the birds and you have to watch the squirrels here for us. So I was excited when they sent the strawberry line. So they have strawberries now that you can grow. You can grow these in like the hanging pots. You can grow these in pots, but I want to go over each of them because they're so beautiful. And let me tell y'all, we actually had a strawberry that I wanted to show y'all, but it had been raining, and you already know who ate it. You know who ate it, but it was a really beautiful strawberry. So let's go over their strawberry line. Okay, so make sure you check your local garden centers because they are in select garden centers. If you don't see them, maybe speak to someone who does the ordering and see if they can order the strawberries for you. But I'm excited to try them. We're going to grow them right here on the patio. I let them sit out a few days to get acclimated because here is a quick tip. Anytime you order online any plants, go ahead as soon as you get them, take them out the box, get them out of that environment. If they need watering, go ahead and water it because from experience, they've probably had a little trip there. They probably got thrown, they probably got tossed, and so they've had a trip and they're ready to get out. And so whenever you do anything online, go ahead and get them out, go ahead and inspect them and water them, and then let them get acclimated to your environment. And that's what we did. So now we are going to go ahead and pot up our strawberries. But again, I want to share with you the three different types that we have here. They have the Snowy Bell, the Scarlet Bell, and the Rosie Belle. So let's discuss each one really quick, and then I'll show you everything once it's potted up. So the name of the plants are based on the beautiful color of the blooms. So the first one here is Rosie Belle, and it is both beautiful and tasty, and they have like rose pink blooms, and they will grow from spring up until frost. And you can actually plant this one as a border plant, or you can grow it in pots like the one shown here, and it's for zones 5 through 9, and exposure is full sun, and then it has a cascading habit that's about 6 to 9 inches in height. Okay, so the next one is Scarlet Bell, and it's both ornamental and it's edible, but they have beautiful scarlet red blooms with yellow centers. I think that's a very beautiful color, and they produce strawberries all season. You can also plant these like in patio pots or hanging baskets, or you can also plant these in the garden bed as well. And these are for zones 4 through 8, full sun again. It also has a cascading habit that gets about 8 to 12 inches in height. So the last one here, it is Snowy Belle, and this one has beautiful white flowers that produce an abundance of strawberries. The shiny bright red strawberries are perfect for pies, jams, and fruit salads, and I absolutely love strawberry jam. That is my absolutely favorite. It's for zones 5 through 8, full sun, and it has a cascading habit as well that is about 8 to 10 inches in height. So we got everything planted up in the containers. And so right here we have the Snowy Belle. Remember, there are 3 colors. And what I did is I just left the tags in there until I see the color of the blooms, and then I'll take the tag out because then I'll know which one is which. But until I do, I just left the tags in there. So right here in this container is the Snowy Belle. Now, really quick, let me tell you what we did to prep these containers. So we used some potting soil. We added a little bit of slow release, the dry berry tone, and then we added just a little bit of worm castings in each of the containers. And so when you're gardening on a patio, so that you don't have a whole bunch of soil seeping out, what we did was we put like the coffee filters at the bottom to just try to help with drainage and a whole bunch of soil seeping out. This one right here is the Rosie Belle. I thought this container was so cute and so perfect for it. And for us, y'all, mums are perennials for us. So we have mums that are blooming right now. So we just set this container right by it. And so we have those 2 that are kind of in close proximity to each other. And then let me go over here and I'll show you where we put the other one. So here is the Scarlet Bell. We have this right at the foot of our raised bed patio container. And this one is the one that has the beautiful red blooms on here as well. So again, these are all by Bushel and Berry. Check with your local garden center to see if they have it. I absolutely love their brand because, you know, I've shared my story with y'all where we were retired military, and a lot of times we didn't have the space that we have now to be able to garden. And so they're making it possible where you can still grow fruit, the fruits that you love, in a container, and they still taste good. So I am ready for these to begin to grow and then put on beautiful strawberries. I know the kids will love to come out, and you can seriously pick right from the patio and enjoy fresh strawberries. So now, in addition to be able to grow blueberries, to be able to grow blackberries and raspberries in containers, now you can grow strawberries in containers as well with the Bushel and Berry brand. They have the Rosie Belle, the Scarlet Bell, or the Snowy Belle. You can try one or you can try all, but they are so beautiful to grow, and now you can grow them right on your patio. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends, and also grow some fruit on your patio. If you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.